G'day and welcome back to Buildsum, and another quick video to increase or refresh your construction knowledge. And this time I'm looking at setting out. So what are our tolerances when we're setting out our building? This video is going to look at the external dimensions. Do we have any tolerances on our external dimensions? So if you think you know, throw it in the comments and I'll give the answer in a sec. Okay, so our external dimensions are considered defective if they exceed the length of the building, the documented length on the plan, divided by 200, or 5 millimeters, whichever is greater. So basically anything up to a meter, you've got 5 millimeters to play with. Anything over a meter, you've got the length divided by 200 to play with. So if your wall's 20 meters long, 20 divided by 200 gives you 100 mil. You've actually got 100 millimeters to play with as your tolerance for your setting out. Hope that helps.